Oh my. It's the morning of our 5th day. We spent the night over at Kaka Point AA camping ground, I think it's called. It's pretty nice. It's a lot smaller. It's a lot smaller than the other ones we've been at, which I guess is to be expected because it's in a small town. You're just driving through this entry. There's the kitchen and the bathrooms over there. Small reception there. And then you have the powered campsites just on this grass area. So that's our little juicy van. Apparently got some breakfast action going on in here. Oh yeah. Look at that, so cozy. We got half lim sips and half coffees because homeboys are sick. This is like the 4th time it's happened where we do a turn and then we forget to lock the fridge and then everything falls out. We've managed to Purakanui Falls walk.
Purakanui Falls.
A bushwalk.
A short bushwalk.
Yeah. A wild shirley. I've spotted a wild shirley.
It's a clefairy.
Oh, I thought you had bellsprout. What do you think of Waterfalls now?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
I mean, I guess if Niagara Falls would be a 10 out of 10. And we just stopped over to have lunch with a sick view. So nice. It was like it's like ridiculous views, like looking out to like the ocean. This is like premium restaurant view.
Oh, yeah. Oh, photo sauce.
Thank you, Shirley. Thank you, Master Chef. Can you?
Okay.
She's making me a sandwich.
This is you with your
My wrinkles. Oh, thank you. This is a decade-long joke.
Oh, shit. Just need one. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Here we go, we got something up. Sorry, boy, got you in action. Oh, and they got a there's a lot of poos. It's just gotta watch. Very scared. Hello. Joel. What's up? Fancy seeing you here, Joel. They're full size. Yeah, really cute.
I like different colours. I mean, because that one there, she was on first Christmas one. Really? Yes, she did. That's her daughter there. Oh. She's quite.
Hello.
You just don't make eye contact with her. That's all. She's only inquisitive, and she doesn't know whether she's a human or an animal.
She's chasing us.
The more you
That aggressive one is. That aggressive one is chasing us. I'm scared.
and so on, but they can lighten up.
Whoa.
Oh, hello, Priscilla.
Whoa.
Oh, hello, Priscilla.
Whoa.
Oh, hello, Priscilla. There's a little one over there in the next paddock.
Made it to Curio Bay, and it is pretty windy. I guess that's what you expect from a bay at the bottom of the South Island. A penguin walk. Penguin walk! Gotta be. Yeah, third time. Literally every day we've been looking for penguins. We started. Day 1 we saw 0 penguins. Day 2 we saw 1 penguin.
I see 2 today.
Today we'll see 2 penguins. Here, entering a wildlife area. Okay, we're aiming for 2 penguins. This is the petrified forest at Curio Bay. Before there was rocks, it was like a forest that was here 170 million years ago, when all the continents were still stuck together. So that's pretty cool.
Here we go.
Okay, now I'm getting the petrified forest feels because, as you can see, that is definitely remnants of wood.
Oh, look around, it's actually all stuff.
So these are actually all stumps. You can actually see like wood. Like figure that out. Alright, we made it to slope point. It's 4 PM and it's gonna be the southernmost point of the South Island. Alright. It's quite cold. This is the southernmost point of New Zealand and we're standing right on the cliff's edge. Alright, we've just arrived at the Clutha Gold Cottages after like a 2.5 hour drive. We're all feeling pretty owned, and the drive here was like pitch black. It was like high beams the whole time. And we've come here and it's also pitch black, as you can see. But yes, that gives us, I don't know if you can see with this camera to be honest, but there's a lot of stars that are visible, so that's pretty sick. Chef Charlie at it again. There it is.
Should be okay.
Pretty cozy little kitchen at Clutha Gold Cottages, and we're doing hearty soup peppered steak for dinner. Oh my! I call this the Leo Cha custom beef soup with sausage and beetroot. Look at that.
It's not beetroot,
Let's go,
it's silver
Joe.
beet.
Oh my goodness, it's silver beet. I'm a noob. Oh, so good. Oh, feeling pretty crushed. Basically, me, Sid, and Joe are all kind of sick with different ailments. So we're gonna catch an early night and then hopefully recover enough to do the bike ride tomorrow that we got planned. And by early night, we mean, oh, it's gone. We mean Pokemon on the surface.